Proper installation of the AC unit is key to trouble-free running of the AC and therefore very important for customer satisfaction. This training module has been specially prepared to give you guidelines on proper installation of the window AC, including pre-installation requirements, the installation procedure, toolkit, and the important do's and don'ts. Ensure that the wall in which the AC is to be installed must be strong enough to support the unit. And 20-volt power supply within 1 to 1.5 meters so that no extension cord is required. Ensure that the air outlet of the AC is so positioned that there is no obstruction in the outflow of air. And there is no direct exposure to sunlight. In case there is direct exposure to sunlight, an appropriate sun shading device must be installed. Also ensure that the air outlet does not cause any inconvenience to the neighbors. There must also be a provision for smooth drainage of condensed water. Ensure that a wall hole or a window is cut depending on the size of the AC. The thickness of the wall in which the AC is to be installed must be less than 295 mm and more than 150 mm. Ensure that the fins are positioned completely outside the window. One meter away from TVs, radios, any wireless apparatuses and fluorescent lamps. Unpack the AC unit as shown. Cut the packing straps on the carton with a cutter. Ensure that the accessory kit is present. Pull the thread and detach the accessory kit from the carton. Now pull the carton out. Pick the accessory kit and keep it aside. Check to ensure that all the following accessories are enclosed in the accessory kit: manual, drain elbow, rubber lid, seal ring, drain pan, the AC unit for 10 minutes and check for proper cooling or any abnormal noise from the AC. Now take measurements as shown. Put the frames on the AC window as is being shown here. However, an L-shaped wooden frame is preferable over O and U. Before you install the AC unit, take the thermocol packing out from beneath the compressor. If this is not done, the AC will cause abnormal noise during usage, which will cause inconvenience to our customers. So that the condensed water can be easily drained out. And the wooden frame, fill them up appropriately wherever required so that no rainwater or hot air from outside can seep in. And slowly slide it onto the outer cover. Remember, do not touch the coil fins while inserting the AC, as the fins might get damaged. Ampere should be as per the rated specification. 2. Take the suction air temperature. then on the left, and lastly on the right. Before locking the grill, put the power cord of the AC into its slot in the grill, depending on the position of the stabilizer. Then unscrew the screws and open the safety cover. Neutral and red stands for live. Dust off the dirt and dust from the AC unit. Turn the mode selection to high fan, low fan, high cool and low cool one after the other. Should be removed from beneath the compressor.